Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to search for an app. Write Notify Body and hit the search button. Select this app and press install. After installation process will be complete, we can open the app. Move to the next step, and from here you will need to grant two permissions to the app. First one is overlay permission. Simply press grant, and from here find Notify Body, click on it and allow the access. Do the same thing with notification. And the third option is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly for you. Now let's move to the next step and accept. From here you can see 4 tabs down here, and you're able to use the app normally. So in the user you can find all the apps that you downloaded yourself or were downloaded on the phone by default. So for example, there'll be Firefox, which we can enable, and from now we'll get this custom LED lamp notifications for any Firefox notification. If we go to the system, we can choose any system bound apps. In active, we can see the active apps that we've just enabled, and here's our Firefox. In the settings, you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, or place on the screen, or even time between blinking. And now if we press test button, we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.